एक सबब मरने का, एक तलब जीने की। एक सबब मरने का, एक तलब जीने की। चांद पुखराज का, रात पश्मीने की। गुलजार। A cause to die for, a desire to live. The moon like topaz and night like pashmina. Gulzar Sahab's poetry is a class apart, and his words paint a picture that is indelible. The picture this shair paints of the moon glowing like topaz and night soft and cozy like pashmina, like the woolen garments of pashmina in a cold night, while one sits and deliberates on life and death, is very appealing to me. I am Swati Sani, an Urdu lover, author and a poet, bringing to you gems from the world of Urdu literature. Khuda Hafiz.